We want to talk breakfast with you today, specifically the Chick-fil-A biscuit, that's kind of the centerpiece of our breakfast menu.
Before we can make biscuits, we want to make sure that we have everything set up. So we have the pan, we have our brush, we have our rolling pin, we also have our self-rising white lily flour. So I'll add this mix in here. And then here we're going to measure out 32 ounces of ice water. So once we add the water in there, we'll go ahead and get this started, and it only takes 18 seconds for this to mix. And we'll mix this on a low speed. Let's go ahead and put a little bit of flour on the surface so that the dough doesn't stick. So we have our biscuit dough here, and when we're working with the biscuit dough, you'll see we want to be very gentle. So we'll add a little bit more flour on top, and we'll start just by pressing down on this gently. And what we want to do is just gently flatten this out. And once we've done that, we'll incorporate a few folds in there. And what those folds will do is those folds will make sure we have a consistent dough and also incorporate some air in there, again, to have that well-developed structure and texture in our biscuits. So we'll start on the right side, and we'll bring that over. We'll make another fold over to the center. Okay? And then after that, we'll do once more, and then over. But we're going to gently roll the biscuit out. And again, if you see it start to stick, kind of like what we got right here, that probably means we need to add just a little bit more flour on there. Not a lot, but just enough so it doesn't stick. You always want to make sure you kind of get a little bit of flour on that ring cutter so that it doesn't stick. We want to go straight down, because as soon as you start twisting it, those biscuits won't rise straight up. We're going to transfer those biscuits over to this pan, and I'll brush a little bit of this buttered oil on the pan. And this is going to help those biscuits release when we start baking it, and also gives it a real nice buttery flavor. We're looking for a biscuit that's nice and golden brown, that's moist. We want to make sure that it's not overcooked and it's not too brown or dry on the outside. And we'll go ahead and place this in the oven.
So here's the finished product.